Running is an incredibly beneficial form of physical activity that is very accessible and simple to do. Starting to run regularly can be difficult, but just 30 minutes of running every day can profoundly impact your overall well-being. This video will explore 10 things that will happen to your body when you commit to running for 30 minutes each day. Keep watching until the end, and I'll tell you the secret trick that got me to love running. Let's start the countdown with number 1. It helps relieve stress. The daily commitment to a 30-minute run is an effective countermeasure against the pressures of modern life. The physical exertion involved in running is pivotal in mitigating stress levels. It prompts the body to release endorphins, neurotransmitters known for their stress-reducing properties and ability to elevate mood. This biochemical reaction not only diminishes feelings of stress, but also encourages a more positive outlook. Furthermore, the rhythmic, repetitive nature can have a meditative effect, allowing runners to find a unique sense of tranquility and mental clarity amidst the physical activity. This period of focused movement provides a much-needed break from the constant stream of thoughts and worries that often occupy our minds, offering a chance to reset and gain perspective on the day's challenges mentally. Number 2. Boosting confidence. The transformative power of a consistent 30-minute daily run extends beyond physical health, profoundly influencing one's self-image and confidence. This commitment not only reshapes your body, but also how you perceive yourself. With every completed run, there's an inherent sense of achievement as personal milestones are met and often exceeded. These accomplishments, covering a longer distance, tackling a challenging route, or simply adhering to your running schedule, contribute significantly to self-assurance. This enhanced self-esteem stems from witnessing firsthand your capacity for persistence and improvement. Moreover, the visible changes in physical appearance, such as a more toned physique, symbolize your hard work and dedication. This process, characterized by setting and achieving personal goals, fosters a profound sense of self-worth and belief in one's capabilities. Number 3. Enhanced cardiovascular health. Engaging in daily runs of 30 minutes can fortify your heart's functionality. This aerobic activity aids in pumping the heart rate and strengthening the heart muscle. A direct benefit of this enhanced heart performance is more efficient blood circulation. This not only contributes to lowering high blood pressure, but also plays a pivotal role in mitigating the risk factors associated with cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. The consistent increase in heart rate during running stimulates healthy changes in the blood vessels, fostering a more resilient cardiovascular system. As you make running a part of your daily routine, you'll start to notice these improvements, reflecting the incredible capability of your body to adapt and thrive under physical stress, all contributing to heartier and more robust cardiovascular health. Number 4. Your weight management becomes easier. Running for a daily half hour is an incredibly efficient way to ignite your body's fat-burning capabilities. Each stride burns calories and raises your metabolic rate, meaning you'll continue to torch calories even after you've untied your sneakers. This high-calorie burn is essential for tipping the scales in your favor when aiming to shed unwanted weight. Additionally, the intensity of your runs can be adjusted to maximize fat loss. For instance, incorporating intervals or hill sprints can dramatically increase the amount of fat your body burns during and after exercise. Consistent running helps establish a calorie deficit, a cornerstone for weight loss, without drastically altering your diet. Number 5. Boosted immune system. Embarking on a daily running journey for 30 minutes significantly enhances your immune system. This physical endeavor catalyzes the body's defense mechanisms, equipping you with a fortified shield against various pathogens. As you consistently engage in running, your body's ability to produce and circulate critical immune cells, such as lymphocytes and neutrophils, improves. These cells are essential in identifying and combating harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. Moreover, running can help reduce inflammation, a crucial factor in the body's healing process. This reduction in inflammation supports the immune system's functionality, making it more efficient in responding to potential health threats. Number 6. Strengthen muscles and joints. Regular engagement in running serves as a dynamic workout for a wide array of muscle groups, including, but not limited to, your calves, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. The consistent motion of running contributes to muscle endurance and strength over time. As these muscles become stronger, they provide better support and stability for your joints, crucial for preventing injuries. Additionally, running helps maintain the flexibility and health of your joint cartilage, which acts as a shock absorber during physical activities. This is particularly beneficial for your knees and hips, which are prone to wear and tear over the years. Beyond muscle and joint health, running stimulates the production of osteoblasts, cells that are involved in forming new bone. This process is vital for sustaining bone density and combating age-related bone loss. Number 7, enhanced lung function. Running regularly is a boon to your respiratory system. Each stride during a 30-minute daily run encourages your lungs to work harder, adapting over time to utilize oxygen more efficiently. This aerobic exercise demands a higher oxygen intake, strengthening the muscles involved in breathing, such as the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles surrounding the lungs. As these muscles become more robust, your lung capacity increases, allowing you to take more profound, more efficient breaths. Improved lung function also means a greater exchange of carbon dioxide for oxygen, enhancing your body's ability to support sustained physical activity. Number 8, increased bone density. Running for 30 minutes daily goes beyond muscle strengthening. It's also a powerful ally in enhancing bone density. This benefit is significant as we age, given the natural decline in bone mass over time. The repetitive impact of running stimulates bone-forming cells, leading to the production of new bone tissue. This process, known as bone remodeling, is crucial for maintaining the strength and health of our skeletal system. Regular weight-bearing exercise signals your body that your bones need to be strong to handle the stress, thereby increasing bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 9, enhanced brain function. Delving into the realms of cognitive enhancement, running consistently for 30 minutes a day has been associated with significant boosts in brain health and functionality. This aerobic exercise increases blood flow to the brain, nourishing it with oxygen and nutrients essential for optimal performance. As a result, individuals who run regularly tend to exhibit improved memory capabilities, showcasing a more remarkable ability to recall information efficiently. Furthermore, the increased blood circulation fosters a more focused state of mind, allowing for prolonged periods of concentration. This is particularly beneficial in today's fast-paced world, where maintaining attention can be challenging. Lastly, better sleep quality. Engaging in a regular running routine, like a 30-minute jog each day, can profoundly impact your sleep patterns. This form of physical exertion deepens sleep quality, allowing for a more refreshing night's rest. Running exerts the body and mind in a way that can help facilitate the transition into deeper sleep cycles more swiftly. It's not just about falling asleep faster, it's about enhancing the overall quality of sleep by extending periods of REM sleep, the phase associated with the most profound rest and dream activity. Additionally, the natural decrease in body temperature post-run can signal to your body that it's time to rest, further promoting a quicker sleep onset. In conclusion, committing to a daily 30-minute run can trigger positive changes within your body, from improved cardiovascular health and increased endurance to boosted mood and strengthened muscles. Embracing this routine enhances physical well-being and nurtures mental clarity and overall vitality. So lace up those sneakers, hit the pavement, and unlock the countless benefits of making running a part of your daily routine. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to join our family. Your support inspires us to keep going.